Hi guys, time to make some cough syrups. This needs to be 2 minutes and 31 seconds. So, cut your carrots first.
Cut, chop. They end up this size. You
Okay.
put them in a bowl.
And then you add some sugar.
On top, you
Sugar.
cover it up with sugar. And then you'll start to get a syrup that looks like that. Look.
Yeah.
See the syrup? And that's a natural cough medicine. When you're feeling that you got a cough, drink it. And then you can eat the dehydrated carrots.
And also, want to hear something?
What?
This is the first ever actually tasty cough syrup.
That's right.
You can also have the carrots if you want.
That's right.